Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the seedling stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, the front post double crochet stitch, and the back post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the third chain from your hook. Now you're going to make 1 double crochet into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. We're now going to be alternating between making a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet over each stitch. So we're going to start with a front post double crochet. A back post double crochet over the next one, a front post double crochet over the next one, a back post double crochet over the next one, so you can see how the pattern is forming now. You're now going to repeat from here. You're going to make a front post double crochet over the next stitch, then a back post double crochet over the next stitch until you reach the last stitch of this row. When you reach the last stitch of this row, work 1 single crochet into that last stitch to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. So each of these rows are going to begin and end the same way with a single crochet. Now we're going to be making the same stitches as our last row, front post double crochets and back post double crochets, but we're going to start with the back post and then alternate from there. So over the first stitch, you're going to make a back post double crochet. Over the next one, a front post double crochet. Over the next one, a back post double crochet. Over the next one, a front post double crochet. So you can see how the stitch is looking. You're now going to alternate between making 1 back post double crochet over the next stitch and then 1 front post double crochet over the next stitch until you reach the last stitch of this row. When you reach the last stitch of this row, you're going to make a single crochet into that last stitch to complete row 3. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the seedling stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.